The next level for protection studies has arrived. The EMTP Protection Toolbox. The EMTP Protection Toolbox opens new doors for the simulations and analysis of protection systems. Both steady-state and time-domain simulation options are available. Like other libraries of EMTP, the Protection Toolbox benefits from smart masks, which display only the inputs necessary for your application. The open architecture of the models coupled with the professional and comprehensive documentation also makes this toolbox an extraordinary learning tool for the protection engineers. All relay models, fuse models, and the thermal characteristic of equipment are solved in time domain with nonlinear functions such as CT, VT, and CVT magnetization. The power system may include many details ranging from power electronics models, HVDC transmission models, and wind generation combined with traditional generation and transmission. There are no limitations. The relays can capture transients, harmonics, and various effects from power electronics-based device control. The EMTP Protection Toolbox is the perfect tool to study line protection and reaching of distance elements, as well as the power swing and out-of-step detection. The highly accurate model of generators and transformers allows you to verify the settings for loss of field conditions, transformer energization, and in-zone fault detection. The EMTP Protection Toolbox is also very suitable for industrial applications. Traditional studies like overcurrent protection coordination can be combined with advanced models like the peak let-through characteristic of fuses. Your imagination and creativity doesn't have any boundaries with the EMTP Protection Toolbox. EMTP, load flow, stability, transient, and now protection in the same package.